Here's a beautiful immortal love song popularized by Chris Solano and the Swooners. I hope you guys like it. When love was new, it was grand. We sat and gazed at the band. They were playing and kept singing our sonata of love. Why did we quarrel and part? What have you done to my heart? Now I'm praying and keep singing my sonata of love. Love is just a gumbo. To lose would be too cruel. We can't go on like this. Without you, how could I exist? Nothing they say, now you're gone. Nothing is left but our song. Yet I'm praying and keep singing my sonata of love. Love is just a gumbo. To lose would be too cruel. We can't go on like this. Without you, how could I exist? Nothing's the same, now you're gone. Nothing is left but our song. Yet I'm praying and keep singing my sonata